Demonstration of star products from Greenleaf. C-Lux Youth Genesis Intensive Booster. As the environment becomes worse and worse, people get older and older. The collagen in the skin suffers from a constant loss. Allied with Swiss CRB National Skincare Research Center, Greenleaf develops a luxurious, anti-aging skincare product named Youth Genesis Intensive Booster. Ampoule belongs to the repairing essence in the skincare product family. For its highly pure essence content, it possesses a more powerful skincare and has been metaphorically deemed as the ICU of skin. Youth Genesis Intensive Booster aims at the roots of skin problems, such as skin flabby, sagging, wrinkle, coarse skin, and dark skin, by applying globally patented technology from Swiss CRB. It combines a new generation of vegetal stem cell technology with marine biological technology to extract purer plant essence and marine microorganism essence to infuse more anti-aging energy into the skin. The application of vegetal stem cell technology enriches the skin with abundant nutrients, restores the skin elasticity and tone. It makes the skin tenderer, smoother, brighter, and younger. Antarctic glycoprotein and other marine microorganism essences can improve the skin's capacity of synthesizing collagen, repair the damaged elastic fiber, make the skin tight, plump, and moistened, and reshape the delicate facial profile. C-Lux Hydra Genesis Set. Because of dry external environment, skin moisture suffers a great loss. Skin fine lines and dry lines will be visible subsequently. More importantly, the hyaluronic acid in skin corium layer is also on the decline year after year. This is the most capable natural water reservoir in the skin. If the water cannot be kept or the water loss is prominent, the skin will step into a vicious circle of dehydration. The Hydra Genesis Moisturizing Series embeds the core hydration essence components into each skincare step. Coordinated with the product's application procedure, the skin is hydrated in several steps to make the skin moisturized permanently. Hydra Genesis Moisturizing Series uses the advanced extraction technology to extract small molecular tremella polysaccharide essence from natural tremella, which bears composite substances highly similar to the hyaluronic acid in human body. The essence is very easy to be absorbed by the skin to generate biological reactions. It can seep into the corium layer to directly compensate the hyaluronic acid and play a role of hydration and water keeping, and make the skin moisturized and toned as young age. Classic gift set makes you have a whole set of skincare products. It's also an ideal gift for your friends and relatives. When its application is combined with the booster, the skincare benefits will be more obvious. C-Lux Ultimate Renewing Tightening Mask. The C-Lux Ultimate Renewing Tightening Mask is a highly effective anti-aging facial mask, newly developed and designed by Swiss CRB with 3 years' efforts. Based on the skincare and maintenance principle, the skincare effect of the mask is combined with the renewing and tightening function to meet the demands of different ages and skin conditions to the most extent. The exclusively proprietary elastic double-layer mask, patented in Japan, can effectively erase the facial swelling, relieve the masseter, improve the tightness, relieve double chin, and tighten the profile to realize the effect of physical thinning of face. Once it's available on the market, the selling is pretty hot. The reason for this mask's market success mainly owed to its unique, patented elastic double-layer mask. The inner layer attachment strength is strong, by pressing in light force on partial areas as well as pulling and dragging slightly to realize the physical thinning of face and perfection of facial profile. The external layer absorbs the nutritional solution to make most essence adhered to the mask. Let the skin fully absorb the essence until reaching saturation. 3 advantages of the Celux Ultimate Renewing Tightening Mask. 1. Absorb easily. The mask is rich of essence ingredients, most of which are small molecular essence and easily absorbable. 2. Reinforce regeneration. There are polypeptide highly efficient anti-aging essence ingredients, which can soothe the fine lines in a high efficacy. 3. Tighten profile. The physical principle of the mask can allow the facial profile tighter, more stretched out, and look younger. Is your face being reshaped? Use our Celux Ultimate Renewing Tightening Mask immediately to complete the skincare and micro reshaping in one lot. Car-Rich Cool Algal Fluoride Free Toothpaste. Car-Rich Cool Algal Fluoride Free Toothpaste will undoubtedly become your daily necessity. As the soil and water pollution is becoming more and more severe, human body suffers from an over-intake of fluoride, which will lead to chronic fluoride intoxication. The most frequent and stark symptoms in the early period include bone proliferative changes. From adolescence, the teeth will get yellow gradually with the fine lines and damage of enamel. Nevertheless, in our daily life, the fluoride is almost ubiquitous. The daily intake of fluoride has already far exceeded the minimum level to guarantee safety. In face of this critical situation, lots of consumers opting for fluoride toothpaste will only make this condition even worse. The Car-Rich Cool Algal Fluoride Free Toothpaste applies the algae extracts to replace the fluoride ingredients in the toothpaste. The algae extract can help us prevent dental caries and reduce the germination of dental plaque. Natural licorice essence is added to combat the gingival bleeding, ulcer, swollen red, etc. It possesses the effects like anti-toxicity, anti-inflammation, anti-allergy, and the like. Each dose only costs a little amount of toothpaste, the size of one soybean, to brush the teeth easily, protect the gums, and promote the oral health. Car-Rich Baby Cleansing Wipes. The skin thickness of one baby is merely 1/10 of an adult counterpart. The surface has only one thin layer of skin surface lipid film for protection, so the skin is highly prone to invasion of external matters and frictional damage. While cleaning a baby's skin, it's highly recommended to select natural products with higher safety level, tender texture, and no stimulation. Car-Rich Baby Cleansing Wipe is weaved and knitted using natural long staple cotton fiber. The product is characterized by its soft touch, skin intimacy, tender and tensile feeling, and powerful water absorption. For the protective functions of baby skin is inadequate, it can be easily contracted with bacterial infection. So many wipes on sale are infused with one component for sterilization and anti-inflammation purposes, or to put it more exactly, the ethanol, also known as alcohol. Car-Rich Baby Cleansing Wipe applies the natural plant super clean formula, medical EDI bacteria-free water, no alcohol nor perfume. The texture is extremely tender and free of stimulation. With the cleaning goal being attained, the baby skin also receives protection and nourishment at the same time. The baby becomes healthier and happier with comfort. iLife Sanitary Napkins. Hygiene experts hold out that the female illnesses are closely related with improper daily menstrual care and incorrect selection of napkins. Amid a woman's lifetime, almost 35 to 40 years are troubled with menstrual cycles. However, the immunity during the menstrual cycle is weakened, considering the special circumstance of women's private parts, so the women are more prone to be infected during the menstrual period. This can cause a series of reproductive diseases. The Greenleaf is dedicated to the care for women and safeguard of the women's health. We developed the iLife Far Infrared Negative Ion Nano Silver Magnetic Sanitary Napkins. As recorded in the Huangdi Neijing, reinforcing the magnetic force in the human body can promote the longevity. Through studying these theories, a magnetically powered composite chip has been developed to incorporate the magnetic force, negative ions and far infrared ray into this chip, which will be placed in the napkin. The magnetic force can augment the function of biological magnetic field in the human body, boost the blood circulation, and upgrade immune system. iLife Sanitary Napkins applies the most advanced 8-layer structural design in the industry. Specially designed safe sealing package is secure, environment-friendly, and endurable. Its unique sealing design is not merely convenient, but also anti-moisture, antibacteria, and anti-contamination. Uniquely designed funnel shape, fast seeping hole, absorb the water faster with better anti-backflow effect. The bottom film of the napkin has a highly strong permeability and can create a fully permeable, dry, and private environment for women. Car-rich bamboo facial tissues. The trees have a long growth cycle. Extensive deforestation will lead to severe environmental destruction and natural calamities. With the development of paper-making technology, the bamboo facial tissues is born. Its emergence has been metaphorically described as a creative revolution in the history of household purported paper. The growth cycle of the bamboo is short. 1 year is enough for the maturation. A reasonable cutting strategy can guarantee an endless supply, therefore mitigating the destruction of the forest and environment. What's more important is to use the bamboo fiber to make paper. The most primitive features of bamboo are completely manifested in the whole production process, which is largely simplified. So herein we like to call on vast number of consumers to select bamboo facial tissues in their family life. Protecting the environment is our civic duty and responsibility for each citizen. As for the car-rich bamboo facial tissues, the bamboo tissue has gone through long-time heating for sterilization and disinfection. It applies the original ecological extraction and purification technology to make the tissue paper soft like cotton, permeable with a strong tensile force. No flakes will be generated even with repeated pulling and rubbing. At the same time, no bleaching measure is used. There are no hazardous chemicals like fluoride ions and fluorescent agents. Plus, it's provided with the unique design of 3 thickened layers, giving a stronger water absorption capacity. This product can be used in both the wet and dry state, thus can be used as wipes in emergency. The bamboo fiber contains a natural component named Jukun, which possesses the effects of sterilization, anti-acrid, and anti-insect. In order to achieve this, we have designed more single products for the consumer's choice, like pocket tissue, roll paper without cores, roll paper with cores, kitchen towel, etc. Cardly Multifunction Electrolytic Water. Cardly Multifunction Electrolytic Water applied Japan patented equipment and electrolysis technology to transform large molecules into small molecular structures. Because of this change of physical property, it's granted with a strong cleaning power. It's capable of helping you clean the grease in your kitchen, pesticide remnants on fruits and vegetables, acting as a deodorant. You can use it effortlessly, save your precious time, and save water. This is in a true sense a safe, environment-friendly, pollution-free, high-quality cleaning product. Let us take a look at those great functions of the Cardly Multifunction Electrolytic Water. 1. Cleaning grease. Owing to the small molecular state of the electrolytic water, when this product is sprayed on the greased surface, Those parts of small molecules can easily infiltrate into the seams in the grease section to force the grease leave off the object surface. Then the grease can be wiped off easily. Let's take a look of the test about this function. Two, remove the pesticide remnant on the surface of fruits and vegetables. Amid the growth and planting process of botany, the pesticides are used for preventing insect infestation. However, most pesticides are of oily nature and have a very strong attachment, and cannot be cleaned by washing or soaking with ordinary running water. Therefore, there is a large amount of residual pesticides on the surface of vegetables and fruits we consumed on a daily basis. As the time passes by, the more you eat, the more damage will be triggered to the human body's immune system and digestive system, increasing the burden of liver and causing a negative effect to our sight and hearing ability. It will also lead to many chronic diseases. If the situation is worsened, it might lead to fatal illnesses. The tests carried out by authentic organizations show that Cardly multifunction electrolytic water has the pesticide removal rate of 100%, can effectively remove the pesticide remnants on the fruit and vegetable surface. 3. Sterilization. The pH value of the Cardly multifunction electrolytic water is 13.1, indicating its alkali property. It can be sprayed in a household environment to destroy the living environment of bacteria. Proved by the test carried out by authoritative organizations, Cardly multifunction electrolytic water enjoys a 99.98% antibacterial rate and over 90% killing rate against colon bacillus and Staphylococcus aureus. In our household, we also get affected by odors and smelly scent. The places like bathroom, shoe cabinet, sewer pipe hole in the kitchen can all generate some odors, causing hidden risks to the bodily health of your family members. Cardly multifunction electrolytic water can help you clear the smelly odors and make the household environment clearer and healthier. iLife Laundry Detergent. iLife Laundry Detergent applies a purely natural plant cleaning formula, is incorporated with high-efficiency active detergent possessing a strong dirt removal power. It is capable of removing multiple types of stains on clothes. Rinsing can be easily done with less foam. The product is natural, not harmful to hands and clothes. Low foam, easy to rinse, and environment-friendly. It also meets various demands like the application in a washing machine or hand wash. The natural weak alkali formula is proximate to the human skin's pH value. There is no alkali remnants on the clothes surface and can make clothes more comfortable to wear. Therefore, the clothes in affinity to skins of babies and women can all be washed with this product. iLife Laundry Detergent has no fluorescent agents, so it can avoid potential hazards related to clothes washing and allow us to safeguard the family members' safety and health in a better way. It is your best choice for washing clothes. Greenleaf Sci and Tech Group will abide by the company motto, Greenleaf Born for Beauty, and continue to strengthen the technical force and talents. With the first-level technology, advanced equipment, excellent talents, and good personality, spiritual idea of emphasis on life, we provide daily chemical products and life necessities to vast consumers at a high quality and reasonable price. Make hundreds of millions of families enjoy the happy life and brand new experience brought by the Greenleaf products. Greenleaf only produces quality products.